How to change the currency in Notion. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency in Notion. Stick around till the end so you don't miss any important steps. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Notion. Once you're on the home page, click the login button at the top right. If you normally sign in with Google, just click on Continue with Google, then choose the Google account linked to your Notion workspace. Once you're inside your workspace, head over to the specific page where you want to change the currency. This is usually a finance-related page, like a budget tracker or an expense log. Now, find the table that includes the currency values you want to update. Look for a column titled something like Amount or Cost. Hover over the column header and click the little open button next to it. From the menu, click on 6 dots and choose Edit Property. This will open the property settings for that column. Look for the number format option. Click on it and you'll see a list of formatting choices including various currency symbols. Scroll through the list and select the currency you want to use. Notion supports a wide range of currencies like USD, EUR, GBP, JPY, PKR, and many more, so just pick the one that fits your needs. As soon as you select the currency, Notion will instantly update that column to reflect your chosen format. And that's it. You've successfully changed the currency in Notion. It's a quick and simple way to make your workspace feel more tailored and professional. I hope this tutorial helped you customize your Notion setup. If you're interested in more Notion tips like this, don't forget to check out the rest of our tutorials. See you in the next video.